Being a leading provider of global data center solutions, we work with many customers in all industry sectors and of different sizes and different challenges. But invariably, we see three common challenges that IT leaders are facing when developing an IT infrastructure strategy. And that's legacy infrastructure, cloud complexity and cost management, and security and regulatory compliance.
We as a solution architect, we work closely with account managers to host a solution briefing using what we call the PDX use case library. PDX use case library is what we have analyzed, compartmentalized, categorized together in an easily searchable and accessible way into 4 different types of category, such as cloud, data, network, and AI.
So using our reference architecture library and digital tooling, we help customers form a strategy to evolve their architecture to effectively address both infrastructure and data challenges. The initial briefing is normally a 30-minute session, typically in the form of a roundtable and a Q&A.
Let me give you some example. Step 1. We plan your distributed workflow, mapping out where your users are, the data and application sits across your ecosystem. We help identify all participants in this workflow, your end users, your applications, your data sets, and connected devices. Once we identify the specific workloads, we map the types of workloads into its performance attributes and how we can seize them efficiently. Finally, we recommend to deploy into the right infrastructure's footprint using the predefined PDX blueprint and deploy them in an efficient model.
We use a set of digital tools or Platform Digital's Experience Center. Our Visualizer tool enables customers visualize global deployments and interconnections. Our Modeler tool generates deployment options that are aligned with customers' current and future deployments. And finally, the Builder tool provides a 3D model of the space and power requirements and a bill of materials to begin the service delivery process.
We work with a variety of customers and partners running private inferencing in GPUs within Digital Realty Innovation Lab.
Or DRILL as we call it, is a state-of-the-art testing and demonstration platform for customers and partners to validate next-gen AI-ready infrastructure on our Platform Digital.
This methodology is proven. We have done this for many enterprise customers, and the outcome is always the same. A more efficient, transparent, and capable IT infrastructure that are ready to scale.
The key long-term benefit to our customers can vary, but typically our workshops align tech with business goals, identify gaps, and plan future data and infrastructure needs.
The big message I want to say to our customers is to reach out even if you have any questions and are just curious to know about data centers, products, and capabilities. We are here to help.